Today we are here at the nunnery for a nature education workshop, and I've volunteered to help out. Tutan is leading the session. She works as a Viprarati and nature educator, and I'm super excited to join her. The nuns are always eager to learn, and this workshop is all about connecting with nature, understanding how everything is linked, and figuring out ways to care for the environment. This is Hasna ma'am, who looks after the nunnery. Thanks to her, we had the opportunity to organize this workshop here. She showed us a cute library corner and mentioned that they accept book donations. She also told us about how the girls here make craft items like bags, which they send to their sponsors. This is such a cute classroom. Like, it's very small, spacious, and it gives you this warm vibe over here. I'd love to study here. In the introduction round, the children were paired up and asked to learn about each other by writing down their partner's name, place of origin, and hobby. Afterward, they introduced each other to the entire group. This activity really helped the kids open up and start talking to each other. It gave them a chance to feel more confident, especially when they introduced their partners to the group.
Rashid, Chotan and me, we are partners, so I'll talk about Rashid today.
The second part of the session took place outdoors and was called Find Your Leaf and Name It. The children were asked to collect a leaf from their surroundings, give it a name, and share a few details about it with the group. This activity was really fun for kids to really look at their surroundings. It gets them noticing different leaf shapes and textures while letting their creativity shine as they come up with names. Overall, it was a great way to engage their senses and help them appreciate the environment. They came to Jamse for a workshop on waste management and all these dustbins for different type of plastic. It's getting windy here and I'm wearing just one sweater. Bad. Look at this kid. Be careful, aram se jaiye, huh? For the final part of the session, we went to a nearby forest where the girls were tasked with creating a leaf museum. So we are going on a nature walk and we are collecting leaves. Let's go back.
Two group, three group, four group. So, जो सबसे ज्यादा बात करते हैं जो सबसे नाता है Lovely.
Lovely.
Any questions, judges?
Center of this area, there is no more present of this like leaves, so it is very unique in this forest. These oak trees leaves are very common, but this is very unique.
This latte mean? Top one, okay.
We have some of this with the same kind of leaves. And before in early men used to eat this and these oak trees grains. They used to eat and they used to eat this. And this also they used to eat this. And this one is very unique in this all. And I think that we should keep this in the center. Come and
When I went to Zamza, I learned that if we are throwing the garbage in the forest means we are harming to animals. As a nun, it is very important to be our compassion and our good-hearted. If we have learned, we have to do practicals. Today on us, we will try to do our best. And when I see the Jamche Gazelle that from garbage they are making tiles, I feel very inspired. I also want to do. In my comes curiosity to do like this.
The sky is clear for the first time in Tawang. We are here in Tawang Monastery, entering right now, and this is my first time. I used to get quite nervous before whenever I used to enter a monastery, but today I have my Buddhist people here. So yeah, I pretty much know how to enter, and they're pretty cool. They talk to monks, you know. This monastery is so huge. We are in the first floor right now. They got how many floors? 2 more floors, I guess. Yeah. And there's no one in the monastery. There are a few lamas here and there going around, but no one is really praying inside, so it's really quiet.